Hello and welcome to How to Play Tic Tac Toe, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover all the aspects of how to play Tic Tac Toe. The game is played with 2 players. The game is set up by drawing a number sign or hashtag to create 9 open spaces. One player will mark with X's and the other player will mark with O's. The object of the game is to get 3 of your marks in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, before your opponent. Players will take turns marking an open spot. Player 1 marks an X in an open spot. Player moves to player 2, who will mark an O in an open spot. Players continue to take turns marking an open spot. The first player to get 3 marks in a row wins the game. If no player is able to get 3 marks in a row, the game ends in a tie. That wraps up how to play Tic Tac Toe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.